Guys, so today I am going to show you how I prepare for a grounded video. First, what I do is I am going to open my device. I am currently using a stylus pen for this so that it's easier. Now, I find Pinterest so that I can have a reference to all the Genshin characters that I can put in the video. Now that I opened Pinterest, I'm going to go to search and I'm going to search for ideas. Now I am going to choose a Genshin character. I'm going to choose a Genshin character for this. This is going to be a behind the scenes video. This is going to be segmented into three types of parts. Next, what I do is I find a good photo for the following character that I chose. Once I found a good photo, I click to the photo and I find some three dots. Now I click download image. This is going to be a behind the scenes, so Linnea will be recording this. Next, I find a good camera for I find a good camera for Linnea to hold while she is doing the behind the scenes. Once I find a good camera, I go to the picture and I'm going to go to download image as well. Now for the background. The background is the main purpose of the video. Okay, so the background will be a house. This will be the first half of the behind the scenes. You know how I changed my text for today? Before I choose a background, I'm going to show you how I changed my text. First, you open your Samsung tablet and I get a settings. I go to settings. Now you click the search button. Now you're going to type. What you are going to type is text font. Now you're going to remove the text if you don't see font. Now, font style. You're going to go here. Now, if you don't have good ones, you can download fonts from the Samsung store. Now that you have got the fonts from the store, one of the tops is Cool Jazz, Choco Cookie, High Simple Sands, February, etc. So that's how I change my text. Okay, now let's go back to Pinterest so that I can have a reference for all the Genshin characters that I can record. I was trying to fix my stylus pen, the thing but the thing keeps breaking because it's very unreliable. Wait a second, let me check if it's raining or not. Well, guys, I just heard some rain. Sorry about that, but I was just trying to check if it's raining or not. Okay, so after I am done with Linnea and camera, I'm going to choose a house background, of course. This is going to settle in the living room. This is the first half of the behind the scenes. I'll type living room in here. Before we continue, it's time to check the weather. Scroll up. The weather today is light rain. With a high of 34 and a low of 27, it feels like 41 degrees. Today is Friday at 3:40 p.m. Tomorrow's feel like temperature. Humidity will make high feel like 41 degrees. Okay, so this is the weather for today. This is the 10-day weather outlook. On today, it will be the same, but it will be different for each pattern of the day. Today's sunrise will be at 5:32 a.m., which was earlier, and later sunset will be 6:29 p.m. We never experienced rain in a long time, like back in like June 30. July 1 and July 2 was like so sunny. Yeah. Wait guys, I'll be right back. Okay, let's check our gallery if we have everything. We only have Linnea and her camera. Okay, so I found a cute living room. It's in here. This is where I'm going to record for the first half of the behind the scenes. Now I clear my search and it's time to search for the kid. The kid's name is Columbina. I search for the Columbina icon in here. Now I click the Columbina icon. I search for the Columbina icon. Now I am going to search for an icon that has opened eyes. Because Columbina mostly has closed eyes whenever she has quests, and I hate it. I only like it when she has open eyes. Once I click the perfect kit, what I'm going to click is the three dots in here, and we are going to click the download image. Now you're going to have to close the notification, and you are going to search for the parent. The parent is Cendrone. Make sure to search for an icon. Make sure to write icon on after the name so that it can be real or it can be a good search. When it comes to Genshin characters, make sure to type icon, or when you see icon or type icon, you're going to click enter when you already typed the icon in there. But when you see icon and there's no icon in there, you're going to have to click icon so that there can be good searches. Once I click the perfect image, I will click the three dots and I will click the download image. Now I automatically closed the notification. Okay, now I make the scenes. I make the scenes in Ibis Paint, which is ideal for making videos. I don't use animation though, but I draw. Like, I don't use animations though, but I draw the theme. Like this. Like that. Like this. Like that. Like everything actually. Now for the plus icon, I click import picture. Now I choose the proper background. Wait guys, I'll be right back. Ignore this message, yeah. If it says the import picture emotion, what you are going to click is cancel. Now you're done. What you are going to do is you're going to click the layer and you're going to go to the camera in here. Now you are going to choose the proper character to do a behind the scenes on. Now you are going to move it to your desired place. Now you are going to click check mark and you are going to click background removal. Tap to specify the target. Now you are going to specify the target. After you specify the target, you're going to click the check mark again and you are going to remove the remaining backgrounds. make sure the size is not too big or not too small. Because when it's too big, it means that the whole character is going to be erased. But when it's too small, you can adjust the size, but not too big nor too small. Just enough. Remember what I said, not too big and not too small. You can adjust it if the size is too big or too small. Remember, erase the remaining background. you go. Now I have just erased the background. Now I'm going to move the character a bit bigger so that she can record correctly. Now I'm going to click the camera. Now I have the camera back. Now I'm going to act like she's holding the camera. Wait a second. It didn't rain that much. It just rained for 5 minutes. That's all. Yeah. Just 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes, yeah. There you go. There you go. Okay, now I do the same thing for other characters. Now I click the camera button and get another character. Now I click the checkmark button and do the same with other characters. Okay, so now this is going to be only one theme. So now, after I'm done with the theme, I'm gonna do voice acting. Voice acting is like I abort this recording right now and I start another one. Yeah.